In a press conference held today at the Shillong Press Club, KHASI singer-songwriter Kharkongor announced the release of his new music video called Wahrew tourist spot by I.S Japangl, acting sordar Elaka Sohbar and also chairman of the Joint Action Committee Elaka Sohbar and Nongjri. The song talks about the beauty of Wahrew that passes through the Sohbar and Nongjri Elaka. Speaking to newsmen, Kharkongor informed that he had sung the song at a recent program organized by the Joint Committee of Elaka, Sohbar and Nongjri. His attraction to the place as well as his concern for the cleanliness of the area inspired him to ultimately come up with a music video which includes dances by Ridalin, Sohtun and Rebecca Nongsiej.
Ngarwai hak program ka bala penlong da ka mo joint committee jong Elaka Sohbar ba Elaka Nongjri hak program ko ladap dang man hagani gatayo ki ladap tiang asyo idea pat bangan snas non da ka video ban pen saknam snon ni la jaka Wah Rew bat ban pen kemau ya ki brew ban nom bret jabo ban nom pen jabo ya ki jaka jungok kai tigata hi ki jing thmu jong kene ki jingwai ban pen kemau ya ki jing itnat jong kene jaka baru ban nom ya le jaklia ya ki tourist spot. Te ya kene ke jingruai ya ke music la le ada i DJ Atronics ya ke kene jingruai ke jingruai la le hi dah manga ban kiar Kharkongor bat kidon ki armut ki Nongsiej ki don hang ni iwe de i Ridalin Sohtun bat de iwe de i Rebecca Nongsiej ki balong ki Nongsiej ha kene ka video jingruai bakerteng Wah Rew tourist spot. Te kene por nga kepat ye mah mo ban pelat no ya kene jingruai akan dikepot.
Wah Rew, Wah Rew, Wah Rew tourist spot. Wah Rew, Wah Rew, Wah Rew tourist spot. Wah Rew tourist spot.
Before the video was released, the Secretary of Elaka Sohbar, who is also the Secretary of the Joint Action Committee Elaka Sohbar and Nongjri, Mr. Boklang Kharshiyeng, said that the opening of tourist spots in the state would mean pollution of such places. However, the song Wahrew tourist spot conveys the message of cleanliness as a means to respecting Mother Nature.
Tuhan batay sa pangka Wahrew, siya bangan batay, introduce kaya dia. Kerteng jengah long sanbok long Kharchi, ada sekretari jongka Elaka Sohbar, berhaba juga poru sekretari jongka Joint Committee jongka Elaka Sohbar dan Elaka Nongjri. Ya kan ika Wah Rew, ketika Wah kapala long try daki artli ki Elaka, kata ketika Elaka Sohbar, bat Elaka Nongjri. Ithau ya ke Joint Committee Aprik Elaka Sohbar, bat Elaka Nongjri, tolong halor ke nongrem, bangunnya penek, persak, ia kena gawa, bangun nam ailat, ia kibriu, bukan lihat dusman, jadi ban penyap dusman, ia ki doha dokman, ni tahu kenang ia Joint Committee, bangun yada, halor kita gibentah, buat kebakam kongsan ya, tolong hadir, wah, layu obat senai ini kejingking, kalian jumpa serta negara. Inilah pelalong makan ko way naki tourist spot.
It may be reminded that the music video has also been released in YouTube under channel name Kharkongor Ukaiton.